this is Pine. Today I'm gonna review another 1997 JZX100 Toyota Mark II, and this is 2.5 G Grande G. So basically, this is the same as the my other Mark II review. The only thing is this is a 2.5 liter 1JZG engine, not GTE. GTEs only come with the Tourer V version of Mark II, but this one is just Grande version, so just normal. But for this car, has a G package, which has power seat and swing air vents, and some a little bit different on the rear seat, and some other minor options from that. What makes it different from the other regular Mark II. So this one has 2.5 liter inline 6, so which is much better than the GX series, even though they are same body. GX100 use 1GFE 2.0 liter inline 6. This one is 2.5 liter 1JZ. So you all know this 1JZ is a very good engine. It's one of the best engine from Toyota, 1JZ and 2JZ. So it's very reliable. This car has only 95,000 kilometers, which is about 59,000 miles. So it's pretty low mile. Car body wise looks pretty good. I don't see any paint fading spots or anything. Small little tiny scratch that you don't even notice it. I'll definitely show you detail in a few minutes. So I'm located in Houston. This car has the clean Texas title. It's already registered, has a title, so you don't have to worry about it. I see online some people selling with the just import documents. Please do not buy those cars. You're gonna have trouble registering car with your name. So just the warning for you guys. So all my cars are registered and titled before I sell it. So it's very safe to buy it that way. You don't have to go through all the import paperwork, and you don't have to change your name, and that's a lot of trouble. So even though you'll see lower price on some people selling just the import documents only, please do not buy those. And anyway, this car has original factory alloy wheel, and one of the different things from this car and my another car, so I have like 3 of them, same color, all 1JZ engine, and the mileage are pretty much same, around like this. Very clean car, like I said. You can see the headlights are like super clean, and this one has the that parking pole. You see that, the one on the left side of the corner? So it's automatically up and down. So when you turn off the engine, it's gonna go down. When you turn on, it's gonna go up. But there's an option you can turn off and turn it back on. So that's what it's about. And it's light up too. It looks pretty nice on this car. So that's what makes it different from this car to other cars. And besides that, everything looks pretty much same. It's very clean inside interior too. Oh, there's another thing I want to mention is airbag lights. Somehow this one is airbag lights is on, but it's not because of the damage. I'm not sure if because of the change of battery or something, or I'm not sure. I don't really know how to reset, so that's the only thing. But anything other than that, the car drives very good, very smooth. There's no check engine lights or anything. The car runs great. Transmission shifts very well also. Trying to sell this car, and let me know if you guys are interested. I'll show you more detail here. All right, let me go through. Oh, the sun is very bright today. Here it's a Grande G 2.5. Some cars doesn't have G. That means there's no G package on it. You can see how clean it is. There's no scratch, anything on the rear bumper or anything. Here on the side of the car, the paint is in very good condition. There's no paint fading spots or peelings or anything. It's a two-tone color. There's some kind of like light beige gold color underneath. See that there's no scratch or anything. The headlights are like new though. It's just pretty much like brand new. So this is the parking spot I was talking about. You see the lights up, and also those lights up too. And here there's a little tiny, very tiny scratch. I don't know, probably I need to clean it. But yeah, beside that, see this paint in very good shape. Yeah, that's the only thing I could say. Anything that, other than that, the car is in pretty good shape. Now let me show you the inside, and I'll show you on the other side. It's much better that way. There's no ripped or torn or anything inside of the car. It smells great too. Don't think it's ever smoked in or anything. See the original carpet. It's very quiet inside too. So here is a cup holder, and of course ashtray here. And in the middle here, there's the rear armrest. See, the different one is, if it's not G, you won't have that kind of things, or the armrest, I believe. It's a digital dash. It displays like this. CD player, and auto climate control, and swing air vent. I'll show you the engine and the trunk also. The side looks very clean. Power seats are very good. All electric functions is working fine. It is power retractable mirror, leather wrap steering wheel. So you see that's 94,000 kilometer. And swing air vent, CD player, cassette player, automatic climate control. There's the transmission button for sports and normal, and the power and the snow button here as well. The dashboard is in very good condition. There's no holes or anything. All right, let me open the trunk. See, this is a sign of the Mark II. Car looks pretty well maintained. This is all the stickers here with the all the maintenance done by the original owner. It sounds pretty great. There's no strange noise or anything. The engine is very strong. It's, you know, 1JZ engine. I'm sure it lasts forever. Automatic transmission flow is changed. Yeah, everything is maintained though. A very good car. Here's in the trunk. Pretty clean. Spare tires here. And also the car jack and the other stuff next to it. Yeah, it's pretty, you know, pretty solid car. I have no complaint on this car. It's so far very good car. I don't have to worry about it when I drive, you know. So yeah, it's gonna be good for the daily, or if you want to swap it up with the 1JZ GTE, or to put the manual transmission, drop it in, that will be perfect car for the drift. And I mean, body wise, so nice. So I don't know, I want to keep it as it. That way it would be better idea too, you know. Yeah, please let me know if you have any questions or anything. I can answer as much as I can. Like I said, this is very nice, solid car. Not selling for fortune, it's just selling as normal price. So let me know if you're interested, if you're in the market for something. I do have 3 more cars like this. So anyway, I appreciate it watching this. Please subscribe my channels if you haven't. I do update all the time for the car that I brought in. So please, really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching it. Bye bye now.